Hey everyone, how's it going? So I just want to do a follow-up video for the Unplugged Performance 24-inch CYBRHEX wheels. These are the 24-inch 315 by 40. So very wide, but the efficiency actually surprisingly is not that bad. It's slightly above 400 watts per mile. We were getting 409 on average, so right now it's averaging 420, but the weather did cool down a bit here, so we're heading into the winter months, so that could also play a factor, but really little impact to efficiency, especially when you're just cruising at 70 miles per hour, 65 to 70. Local street is definitely more efficient, but highway we've been cruising about 70% of the time, and locally 30% of the time. So just take a look at these wheels. Again, it comes in 20, 22s, and 24s. So we got a lot of compliments from these wheels. So the Cybertruck was getting a lot of attention initially, but after we got these wheels from Unplugged Performance, it's getting a lot more attention than before, because the attention for the Cybertruck itself has died down slightly. And you can see this is the midnight blue with Flexishield. There's the UP logo. It matches that of the wheels. So this is bronze. They also come in satin black and also in titanium. So you have a variety of color options to choose from. So you're interested in this, check out link in the description of this video. Looks absolutely amazing. I'm gonna go around just to show you how it looks like from the rear. And it doesn't stick out too much, but just enough to give it that present. So you can see it's slightly wider, and Unplugged Performance does sell the wider fenders as well in carbon fiber. So it's sticking about a couple, maybe 3, I would say close to 3 inches out. You can get the 20-inch, which more narrow tires. I think it comes in 285s or 295s. So you can get slightly narrower tires for better efficiency. But again, it has not impacted much. It's around 420 watts per mile right now. And again, it just looks absolutely amazing. So definitely recommend these wheels. So if you're interested in wheels for your Cybertruck or even any other Tesla, they offer these forged aluminum, and these forged are not regular forged aluminum. It's actually designed by Sasha, so or Sash that is, and he is one of the designer for other high-end vehicle. So I'll post a link in the description. He works with many other manufacturers for designing and helping with collaboration, and now he's collaborating with Unplugged Performance as well for these CYBRHEX wheels. And these caps also forged aluminum or some sort of metal, I would say. Actually, it's like a light steel. This is forged aluminum. This looks like a steel cap. So not plastic cap, nothing cheap on these wheels at all. You can see there, Unplugged Performance by Sasha, and you got that signature, and you got the forged aluminum embedded on there. So this is a monoblock forge CYBRHEX. So check it out. We got a full install video. We'll also post that in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Catch you all next time.